Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing as well as installing the Extreme Rate Xbox Series X or the S shell. So we're going to go ahead and put a faceplate over the Xbox Series X. I'm going to show you how to tear down this thing and then apply it on there, and yeah, but I definitely have the PlayStation 4 video coming out soon as well, so stay tuned for that if you want to see that. Let's get straight into it. So here it is. I got the Scarlet Red version. This comes with all the tools necessary to be able to install this, which is really cool. Alright, here it is. So this adds some like rubber texture and it feels really good and it'll help with grip. Also includes 1 year of warranty. This is a pretty cool warranty card. Here are the tools. You have 7 screws, a screwdriver, as well as a pry tool. Take off the sticker, or you can just poke a hole like directly right around here. Now this will void your warranty if you poke a hole, but if you're really careful taking off the sticker, then you should have no problem. So right there is a screw. We're gonna go ahead and do it. All right. And then there's more hidden screws behind these, which are really hard to take off. So basically you push down the triggers and then you go ahead and put in the tool. You can put the screwdriver in here. There is 2 screws right here that you need to remove, and then there's another 2 on the other side. Alright, now we're going to go and take off these 4 screws, the one right here, the one right here, the one right here, and the one right here, as well as the middle one. So there's a total of 5 screws. Right, remove all 4 screws, and then that's pretty much all you have to do. You can take off the faceplate now, and you can put the new one on. Another screw right there on the bottom right. So there's 2 screws on those bottom rights. There's 2 screws in the middle. You remove the motherboard, get into the buttons, and then that's pretty much it. Very similar to the PS4 version, except it's a lot easier. Alright, once you have all the screws off, and the faceplate is like this, install this. So make sure you don't lift this part up. If you do, make sure the batteries, this part, is still flush. I forgot about that and I put it in wrong, so that's how we're gonna do that. And use the included screws that they gave you, or you can use the ones that they came with a controller. I'm gonna just use the ones that came with the controller. You're just gonna go ahead and install the screws. Make sure you put the controller so you get a really tight, secure fit. And then once you do that, you're pretty much done. Make sure there's 5. So there's 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. You gotta put the back plate on, grips back on. This is that you can keep the grip. Technically you're adding more grip depending on which one you buy. Place, seamless. It adds a nice texture to it. I really love this texture. It's good because this technically adds color, variety, as well as personalization to your controller. You can customize the buttons as well, which I believe they also do sell. I have the grip because this one, it's just matte. I like the matte. You add color, you add texture, and it looks really cool. It doesn't have really any texture on it. This one has grip. So overall, an easy installation and it looks amazing. Look at that. So that was the thumbnail, but it looks really cool. 4 version, but this one is a, I believe it's a dark, it's like a fade, basically from black to red, like a volcano shadow. I think it's just called shadow or red shadow. Really cool. Thank you guys for watching. Batteries now, as you can see, on. It works perfectly fine. We're gonna go to put this right here and show you. See, everything still works. 100% recommend this. Definitely worth it. Here's what it looks like against the Xbox Series S/X controller. This is the blue one. Really nice controller. So now we have a red one, and they both look so amazing. I love this look of the controller. It's way better than the black one. The black one just makes it look plain. I did like the black one, however, but this just makes it 1,000 times better. I recommend you guys pick one of these up.